team led by Dinesh Bijanji, the producer of Bedia, Amar Kaushikji, the director, and the beautiful actors Varun Dhawanji, Kriti Sanonji, and the entire team. On behalf of the people of Arunachal, on behalf of the government of Arunachal, we welcome you, and hopefully in your entire film making in today's you will have a wonderful days. And I also would like to assure you, we are already with the people who are already a peace-loving people. However, still we will not give any chance that in the process of your film making, there should be no any obstacles. We ensure you and we assure you also. As we have already with us coming up Film Institute, the third of its kind in the country, is coming up in around capital in Poma. Arunachal is already a Bollywood loving people. So people are already in your field. With your visit and with your decision to make film in Arunachal Pradesh, this will open a way for other filmmakers to come to Arunachal, to make Arunachal a film making destination. Our film making started way back in 1974. It was a small film, Rasmi Rekha, way back in 1974. And then we had one small film, Mera Dharam, Meri Maa, way back in 1976. And that goes on with Meri Zindagi in 1987, Between God and Me, 2000, Crossing Bridges, 2013, Itanagar 0 Kilometer, 2015, and recently Capital, 2020. And of course, we also got some Hollywood films. The first of its kind was way back in 1996, Koila, and followed by Rangoon in 2015. So your team, your wonderful team is coming as a third team, and this will open up not only to the filmmakers, even to a enthusiastic young boys and girls who wants to be part of these professions. So with this, I once again welcome you all to the places where you will be moving around. It's a beautiful place, as tourism minister have said. तो मैं फिर से आप लोग को इस सुंदर प्रदेश में स्वागत करता हूँ.
I have to say it's been one of my dreams to come and shoot in Arunachal Pradesh, and it's a day of great pride for me that today I am over here. मैं candidly बात करूँगा. Honestly, people staying in cities don't know too much about what's happening in Arunachal or don't know much. I'm from Bombay, she's from Delhi, he's from Delhi. But once I got attached to this movie and through Amar, who's the director of this film, learnt about Arunachal and learnt how it is a part of our film, I think it's high time today as youngsters of our country of India, we need to show and we need to attach Arunachal to the youth of India as well. Already the Zero Festival is famous with a lot of people. They come, they visit it for the festival. But now it's high time. I think people should start coming, knowing about Arunachal, knowing about the local festivities, the local beauty of Arunachal. And the one thing I realized as soon as I stepped over here was how beautiful looking the people are also. Very, very pretty boys and girls, and extremely peaceful and welcoming people, I felt. Like अमर ने बोला कि हमारे फिल्म में बहुत सारा लोकल टैलेंट है. 70% of the talent is from here. A lot of actors are from here. And having interacted with some of the actors already in our Mumbai sked, I realized कि they love cinema, they love art, and they want to in somehow show their artistry. They want to show their craft, and that passion is so nice for like even an actor like me. When I meet a young budding actor from Arunachal, there's so much that I can learn from him, because seeing his जो भूख होती है एक आर्टिस्ट की, he just needs the medium. And I'm sure now all the doors with OTT, with cinema, all these doors are going to start opening. there are more characters being written. Like Amar ने एक character लिखा है, which is one of one very important character जिनका नाम जोमेन है film में. He's from Arunachal in the film. And he plays a very integral part. Tempol करके एक दूसरा character है, also very important character of our film. He's from Arunachal. जो music है, it's been given by Keiko, who's a rapper over here. He sung a song for us. He's written lyrics for us. So for me as an artist, it's just amazing कि इतना talent भरा हुआ है हमारे देश में, अरुणाचल में. And now I think वो सारा talent धीरे धीरे हमारे हिंदी इंडस्ट्री में भी आएगा and पूरा देश देखेगा कि अरुणाचल में कितना talent है.
The character is supposed to be from Arunachal. Not from Arunachal, but she stays here. She's been here for a while. So I would actually be trying to learn a few words of the local language and try and use it here and there. I would love to learn a little bit of the language and actually use it.
You'll have to learn
I hope I do a good job, otherwise you guys are going to hate me.
You'll have to learn 22 languages. Also, want to take this opportunity to congratulate all the people and the government in Arunachal for being declared the first COVID-free state
Yeah.
in the entire country, which is amazing.
One of the actors is in Zero, and the other one we wanted it to hide him. We were like कि अभी नहीं दिखाना है क्योंकि एकदम से आना है and it is his launch time, तो उसको पहले से हम लोग ज़्यादा वो explore नहीं कर रहे.
He's a very
Yeah.
major part of the
Yeah.
script. So also we've come here to do this meeting. Our main schedule actually is in Zero. So most of our crew is in Zero. We're going to just shoot it 2 days close to Sagri and then move. So here the scene does not involve. Most of the actors join us in that. So there's no the reason for maybe when we wrap, you're going to see us all in our full form with everyone representing it. But since this is just the teaser and we're a year away, that's why it's only.
I always wanted to travel to Arunachal Pradesh. I always wanted to attend Zero Festival, but I could not because of some odd reason. But I think I'm very lucky that I'm here to perform with great actors and a great director. I think that's also going to add to the traveling experience and also the actor experience.
First of all, I, on behalf of the Tourism Department and the government of Arunachal Pradesh, to welcome Varun Dhawan and his team to Arunachal Pradesh, and your present stay here at Arunachal Pradesh, and I hope you will be the source for the people, those who wanted to visit Arunachal Pradesh, because most of the people don't know, have any idea about Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal is such a beautiful place, naturally gifted beautiful place where any artificial beautification is not necessary. So this is you might have most of your team member might have first time been visiting Arunachal Pradesh. This is only a small part. You are here at Itanagar.